in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. Them money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell him my plug no starch, please. Soon as I don't leave, got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell him my plug no starch, please. Soon as I don't leave, got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got no waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna get what I do, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a blue pair of tennis shoes. The same price that I make the rest, I'ma finish you. But they been charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope, boy, see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. Getting money, I come from the H's. Man, Dre by the top, and they go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, but I'm far from the pavement. $1 million, they make them go crazy. Wham, baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my club no starch, please. Soon as I even don't leave, got M's in the back like this, indeed. And my dog off the way. When you're living like this, they support the hate. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my club no starch, please.
Back in the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. You know what you told you that nigga crazy, don't think she lie to you, nigga. We hit these out with your hoe and I'm popping them both. Now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the GOAT, act like I don't know. But fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go eat the bank. Take out 100 to show you my pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat you ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type and that nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. Take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners can kill you. Say fucking with me and he gotta grow up. This nigga got some kids. This shit can't fit in my pocket. I got it like I hit the lottery. Slap the shit out of nigga, no talking. I don't like to argue with you. I just don't. Ain't gon' be no more laughs. You see me whip out cause I'm gon' be the shot me a nigga. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches they following me. The nigga ain't gon' shoot shit with that gun. He just pull it out in his pics. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah.
Red dot on his nose like Rudolph. Pull up to the scene all white with the roof off. Take that little bitch to the roof. Chris fuck up that fuck on her sister, I'm ruthless. Chill on the 6 when I'm fucking on Poochie. That bitch was ugly but pussy on smoothie. Play with that kitty like hello. Take a step back then I bust it like mellow. Aiming at you and your fellows. My new bitch yellow. She blow that dick like a cello. Fuck it then send that bitch home on the metro. Ooh, your nigga fall like a pigeon. Bitch say these friends they be hot in my vision. Make sure all my niggas think that's the mission. No more wishing, I'ma go get it, I got it. Play with that pussy like peekaboo, 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 play with that money like peekaboo, play with these bitches like peekaboo, broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do. Peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do.
Open your eye, bitch, you see all this money. Make that little bit tape a brick to her stomach. You not that gang, we don't kick it or punt it. Jump out the rape and I ride the Titanic. Look at the numbers, mechanics ain't frontin'. I came from the lip with the jail, I got punished. Ooh, pulling no phone for the Kruger. Wow, my niggas turn back recruiter. You capping, I came from trapping. I used to have the dope stashed in the cabinet. Mama couldn't tell me shit, what was my daddy? Look at my paddock, I'm flexing on petty. I put the pussy the first time I met it. Won't give you no credit, you ate it spaghetti. I could cut the brick with machetes. Married the money, the bitch wasn't ready.
Play with that pussy like peekaboo, 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 play with that money like peekaboo, play with these bitches like peekaboo, broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do. Peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do.
Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a white man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. Nah, 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 nah. When you walk out, nah, 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 nah. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work, 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 work. You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Something about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. When the girlfriend, my da, 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 da.
Oh no, the fight's out. I'm about to punch your lights out. Get the fuck back, guard your grill. It's something wrong, we can't stay still. I've been drinking and busting too, and I've been thinking of busting you upside your motherfucking forehead. And if your friends jump in, tell me both days. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look, and y'all already know how I feel about this hair. Do you see these cheekbones? Okay, so what that mean? Period. So this unit is from AliPearl, and I haven't worked with AliPearl in a minute, but AliPearl from day freaking one has been one of my favorite hair companies. The lace is always super bomb. Like, this was transparent lace, and usually with transparent lace wigs, like, it be looking super white, super like white casty, but you guys see like what my hair is giving. In fact, I'm gonna zoom y'all in and I'm gonna back up so the lights are not like blinding anything out and you guys can really see, but like, this one my edges is looking like girl laid. And I did do my baby hairs a different way today. I did not really use gel like that. I only use gel like right here on this part on my sideburns. Honestly, I don't see myself using gel anymore after doing this. But yeah, the reason why I don't really want to use the gel anymore is just because when I use gel, like, it be super shiny. You can see where I used it, and I just don't like how it look. But with this one, it just looks really nice, you know? I like it. I'm messing with it. And then this is my part. I did have to put some concealer in my part, and the concealer that I use is Fawn by LA Girl. If you guys have never tried LA Pro concealer, I don't know what you're doing, but it's been around for ages and you need to get you some. It's perfect for your makeup, and of course you can use it for all of your installs, especially for parts like this. When you have colored hair, you typically have to use some type of powder or foundation of some sort on your parts, so that way you can actually see scalp, because if not, it's not gonna look good. But yeah, if you want to have a really sleek defined part like this looking real bomb, then you definitely need to use some concealer, and I only use a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to use a lot. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, you guys, I all in all really like this unit. I will say though, be careful with this because this color does bleed. It did start to actually stain my robe, because before I came back on camera, I had like went to go wet my hair and everything, because this hair is super thick. This is 200% density. Trying to wet my hair, all of it, with this spray bottle, and it's a mist at that, is not gonna work. So I went to the bathroom and I wet out my hair, and I used cold water. So that's another thing too. When you work with colored hair, you always have to use cold water, because when you use hot water, it strips the dye out of your hair. So that's just a heads up. And I know people are like, well, how come it strips the dye out of your hair but you can dye your hair with hot water? Baby, I'm not a scientist. I don't know how this works. It just works like that, okay? When you put hot water on colored hair, your hair is gonna start to bleed, and you'll see it throughout the sink. And that's actually how people make pastel colors. So if you have a color and you want it to look more pastel, that's actually what people do. They wash their hair with hot water. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I just want to let you guys know, if you guys do wear this hair or you do buy this hair, just give it a moment. But yeah, you guys, I first of all really like this color on me. I think this color really complements me well. It is a lot darker right now because I did put some foaming mousse and water on my hair, so it did change the color a little bit and made it a little bit darker. Right now it's looking more like a purple type of color, but this is like true burgundy. But yeah, I have never tried colored curly hair before, like ever, so this is my first time ever doing it. When I seen this wig, I was like, oh yes, this is gonna be perfect for the fall. Like, I can't wait to wear this unit. But this is what all of the hair looks like up front. I do have most of the hair on this side because this is supposed to be like my heavy side. I'm just bringing the hair up front over here so you guys can see, you know, what it would look like if you have it all up front. Now, if you didn't want to have it behind your ear like how I do, you can pull it from behind your ear and you can have it like this. So boom. So you could wear your hair like this, except for me, when I have a lot of hair, I don't like hair in my face. I cannot stand too much hair in my face. So that's why I usually have one side, when it's a lot of hair like this, that I like slick back and pull back up out of my face. This is where the hair is hitting me in the back. It's pretty long and full. So let me kind of scoot up so y'all can see. It's like the top of my butt, like, you know. Look, I ruined my fucking dress for this video. Wow. Okay, I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go because that just really made me mad. So yeah, listen, this hair does bleed. If you do get this hair, it bleeds. Just be prepared for that. Don't wear any colored clothes. I literally just messed up my dress, and I'm really pissed about it because I really like this dress and it's ruined. So I'm gonna hurry up and get off of this camera because literally right here, look, I don't know if y'all can see that because the lights be blinding everything out, but y'all see that? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse some hot water out of this and maybe put a Tide to Go pen in here and hopefully it comes out. If anybody knows how to get dye out of colored clothes, please leave a comment down below because I'm gonna need all the help I can get. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this install. Once again, this wig is from AliPearl. If any of you guys are interested in this unit, there will be a link listed down below along with all of the details for this hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Shout out to AliPearl for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.